Mobile accessory brand Oraimo, subsidiary of China's Transsion Holdings, on Tuesday announced the launch of its new accessories in India. The new range of Oraimo accessories includes Bluetooth-enabled headphones and speakers, power banks, chargers, data cables, smartwatches, and selfie sticks. While the Bluetooth-enabled audio devices, power banks, memory banks, chargers, and smartwatches come with a 1-year replacement warranty, the company is offering a 6-month replacement warranty for its data cables and hands-free offerings in the country. Beginning with the power banks, the range includes the 6000 mAh Aurora PB-60AR, 10000 mAh Gorilla OPB-P102D, and the 1.3 cm 10000 mAh Toast OPB-P103D among others. These new power banks have features such as dual power output with fast charging support, built-in LED torch, and multi-protect safety system. The power bank range comes with lithium-polymer batteries and is priced between Rs 899 and Rs 2,299. Alongside the power banks, there are Oraimo Bluetooth audio devices that come in a variety of form factors and models, including in-ear and over-the-ear headphones, wireless earphones, and wireless speakers. Oraimo earphones are made of break-resistant Kevlar fibers. The wireless models, in the new range, are touted to deliver a standby time of 240 hours on a single charge and offer HD voice clarity. It includes models Halo OEPE21 and OEBE53D and is priced between Rs 799 and Rs 1,999. Oraimo Bluetooth speakers, on the other hand, are claimed to offer a music playback time of up to 6 hours. There are models, including the Rocker OBS51D and Play OBS32S, that have features such as light show and TF card support. The speakers come between Rs 1,499 and Rs 1,999. Apart from the earphones and speakers, Oraimo has launched the Tempo OFB-10 smartwatch that lets users keep a tab of steps, distance traveled, and calories burned. The smartwatch comes with a battery life of up to 7 days and has additional features such as alarm and reminders, sleep monitor, and a remote for capturing photographs. Oraimo smartwatch range will be available between Rs 2,999 and Rs 6,999. Oraimo has also launched its dual-output smartphone chargers with fast charging support, in-car chargers with universal compatibility, protectors with 9H hardness. Additionally, there are retractable 2-in-1 cables, reversible design-based fast charging cables, charging cables with twin heads that will come between Rs 199 and Rs 599. We aim to follow the inroads made by other brands from Transsion in India, and establish industry benchmarks by acquiring the pole position within our domain in a record-breaking time. In line with its brand philosophy, keep exploring, the rich offerings from Oraimo will surely add a lot of excitement to our consumers' lives, said Kwalai Lu, General Manager of Oraimo, Transsion Holdings, in a press statement.